students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.1. This is the last problem, problem number 7. You are given the set in descriptive form, the set of all natural numbers less than 8 and B equals set of all prime numbers less than 8 and C equals set of all even prime numbers. For verifying these results, we have tried the sets in roster form. How tried? Subdivision number 1. Before that, write A, B and set C. Set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural number starting number 1. Keep on writing before 8. What's the number? 7. Less than 8 means you are not supposed to consider 8. Before 8, 7. Up to 7 you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Set B. Set of all prime numbers less than 8. You know that first prime number is 2. What about that 1? 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Okay. The first prime number is 2. At the same time 2 is the only even prime number. Remember, very important one. So what do you mean by prime number? You know very well. A prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So 2, 3, 5 and 7. These numbers, each and every number is divisible by 1 and the same number. So what about that 4, 6 and all? 4 is divisible by 2 also, correct? 4 can be divided by 2. What about the 6? 6 is divided by 1, 6 is divided by 6, 6 is divided by 2 and 6 is divided by 3. So 4 and 6 and all composite numbers. So these 4 numbers are prime numbers less than 8. C. The set of all even prime numbers. Already I told you 2 is the only even prime number. Others and all odd numbers. Okay. A, B, C. So we have 3 sets in roster form. Now we can proceed. Subdivision number 1. LHS. A intersection B cross C. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection set B 2, 3, 5, 7. Here it is. Listen. Set A and set B. Here what it is? Intersection. Intersection you have to write the common elements. Here we have 4 elements. Correct. 2. Yes, 2 common. 3 common. 5 common. Even 7 common. So write 2, 3, 5, 7. A intersection B is over. Now A intersection B cross C. A intersection B we have 2, 3, 5, 7 cross. Set C here it is what it is 2 equals 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Set of ordered pairs 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 and 7, 2. So LHS is over. Now RHS. LHS is equation number 1. Now RHS. In RHS, which is inside the brackets A cross C, then B cross C. First A cross. A set, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross. Set C, here it is. Set C, only 2. Equals 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2 and 7, 2. Now I am going to find out B cross C. Here it is B cross C. Set B that is 2, 3, 5, 7 cross set C equals 2. Come on, here it is. Set B 2, 3, 5, 7. Set C only 2 equals 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 5 2 7 2. Therefore A cross C, what is here? A cross C intersection B cross C. Intersection B cross C equals. Here we have A cross C. Here we have B cross C. Write the common elements because what symbol it is? Intersection. Here 2 comma 2. Here also 2 comma 2. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 common. 5 comma 2. This is 5 comma 2. It is also 5 comma 2. 7 comma 2. 7 comma 2. So write 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 5 comma 2 and 7 comma 2. Let it be number 2. Look at that, LHS and RHS are equal. 2 2, 3 2, 5 2, 7 2. Exactly same. From 1 and 2, it is verified that LHS and RHS are equal. For the given statement is true. Subdivision number 1 over. Now subdivision number 2. LHS. In LHS, inside the brackets we have B minus C. B minus C. First calculate B minus C. Set B, then set C. Set B 2 3 5 7, set C 2 only. 2 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7 minus and set C, that is 2 only. So this symbol in set language we can say set difference. What it is called? Set difference. In set difference, whenever the symbol comes now, we have to write the common elements. Strike out the common elements. Here we have 2, here also we have 2. After striking out the common elements, what are the elements left out in the first set? That is the answer. That is B minus C. Now I am going to calculate A cross B minus C. Therefore, A cross B minus C equals set A first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cross B minus C, here it is 3 5 7 equals 1 3 1 5 1 7 1 3 1 5 1 7, like that. 2 3 2 5 2 7 3 5, sorry 3 3 3 5 3 7 3 3 3 5 3 7 4 3 4 5 4 7 5 3 5 5 5 7 5 3 5 5 5 7 6 3 6 5 6 7 6 3 6 5 6 7, finally 7 3 7 5 7 7 7 3 7 5 7 7. Let it be number 3. Already I have taken equation 1 and 2, so consider this equation number 3. Now RHS, in RHS we have A cross B as well as A cross C. First we can find A cross B. A cross B. Set A, you know very well, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 into set A over. Now set B 2 3 5 7. Okay, 1 2 1 3 1 5 1 7 1 2 1 3 1 5 1 7, like that. 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 7, take 3 3 2 3 3 3 5 3 7 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 7, take 5 5 2 5 3 5 5 5 7 5 2 53 55 57 62 63 65 67 62 63 65 67 finally 72 73 75 77 72 73 75 77. Now we have to calculate A cross C. A cross C, that is equal to A, you know that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 cross set C. Set C we have only 2 equals 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 7 2. Therefore, what is in RHS? See that A cross B minus A cross C. A cross B minus A cross C. Sorry. Write all the elements of A cross B. So very lengthy only. Right. Have to write all the elements 1 2 1 3 1 5 1 7 1 2 1 3 1 5 1 7 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 7 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 7 3 2 3 3 3 5 3 7 3 2 3 3 3 5 3 7. Come on. 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 7 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 7 5 2 5 3 5 5 5 7 5 2 5 3 5 5 5 7. Then 6 2 6 2 6 3 6 5 6 7 6 2 6 3 6 5 6 7 7 2 7 3 7 5 7 7 7 2 7 3 7 5 7 7 minus A cross C. A cross C, here it is 1 comma 2 2 comma 2 3 comma 2 4 comma 2 5 comma 2 4 comma 2 5 comma 2 6 comma 2 7 comma 2. So once again set difference, you have to strike out the common elements. Okay, 1 comma 2 1 comma 2, strike out that 1 comma 2 2 comma 2 2 comma 2, strike out that 3 comma 2 3 comma 2, strike out 4 comma 2 4 comma 2, strike out 5 comma 2 5 comma 2, you can strike out 6 comma 2 6 comma 2, you can strike out 7 comma 2 7 comma 2, also you can strike out. So after striking out the common elements, what are the elements left out in the first set? That will be the answer. See, left out 1 comma 3 1 comma 5 1 comma 7 2 comma 3 2 comma 5 2 comma 7 2 comma 3 2 comma 5 2 comma 7 3 comma 3 3 comma 5 3 comma 7 3 comma 3 3 comma 5 3 comma 7 4 comma 3 4 comma 5 4 comma 7 4 comma 3 4 comma 5 4 comma 7 5 3 5 5 5 7 5 3 5 5 5 7 6 3 6 5 6 7 6 3 6 5 6 7 finally 7 3 7 5 7 7 7 3 7 5 7 7, that is number 4. Look at that, you have to verify LHS and RHS are equal. Here 1 3 1 5 1 7, 232527, 131517, 232527, 333537, 434547, 333537, 434547, 535557, 636567, 737577, 535557, 636567, 737577. Yes. From third equation and fourth equation, it is verified that LHS and RHS are equal. It is also true. Problem number 7 is over. Exercise 1.1 is completely over. I'll be teaching the next exercise in the next video. Thank you, children.